guys, Daniel from Carbonwurks here, and today we've actually opened the bonnet up on this beast, and I'm here to show you the Carbonwurks carbon fibre engine cover. So this is to stand with the to make sure that it's okay with the heat and to withstand the heat. It's made from Autoclave carbon fibre, much like all the other parts actually. This one's particularly important to make sure the carbon is very much robust and heat resistant, because if you don't, unfortunately it's not going to last the test of time. So this is effectively a full replacement part, so it completely replaces the original piece on there. You will need to remove the rear bar, which is only held in by 4 bolts. It's very simple, and you've got a couple, or 4 in total, rubber grommets or bungs if you like, and that's what's holding the engine cover to the engine. The badge which you can see here, that needs to be removed from the original and put onto the new one. So it's just metal clips that are held in, and you can just pop that straight off the old one and onto the new one. But yeah, it really uplifts the engine bay. As you might know from the previous generation, the F series, they had a nice carbon cross brace. There's no carbon on the standard G series or G80, G82 and so on. So this really uplifts the engine. Yes, you know what, your mechanics are really going to love working on this and opening and seeing that, but it's quite nice for shows and also just knowing that you've got that as well. So the eagle-eyed viewers will see that actually this is a white car underneath, but yeah, the car has been wrapped on this particular one, but fantastic piece, and this will stand the test of time. Hope you enjoyed the video.